Welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will understand the navigation light circuit diagram used on ships. Navigation lights are very important because they help other ships identify a vessel's position, direction and status, especially during the night or in poor visibility. Let us understand how the circuit works. The navigation light circuit receives electrical power from ship's main switchboard. This power is supplied through a navigation light control panel which contains circuit breakers, selector switches, indicator lamps and alarm circuits. From the control panel, power is distributed to different navigation lights such as port light, that is red color, starboard light, that is green color, masthead light, that is white color, stern light, white color and anchor light, white color. Each light is protected by its own fuse or circuit breaker. If any lamp fails or its circuit becomes open, the monitoring circuit immediately activates an audible and visual alarm on the bridge. This allows the officer of the watch to quickly identify the faulty light and replace it. Most ships also have two separate power supplies for navigation lights, a main supply and an emergency supply. If the main supply fails, the emergency source keeps the navigation lights operating, ensuring the safety of the ship. In simple words, the navigation light circuit ensures that all required navigation lights receives continuous power, provides protection against electrical faults and alerts the bridge whenever a light fails. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical Made Easy for more simple explanations on marine electrical system. Thank you.